back to the channel. I'm your host, Gearheadgirl. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your old worn out lower control arm and bushing with a nice fresh new lower control arm and rear bushing. First, when installing new bits, make sure that you have the correct side that you're installing. We're doing the left side, so you can see there we've got L there, and hopefully you can see that L on the bushing as well. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to figure out which orientation this is. So you've got the dowels that will match up on the car, and based off of that, that's how you're going to orientate it on the lower control arm. And then we're going to put some soap in here to act as a lubricant that will dry up, so it is no longer a lubricant once it is installed. So you got your dowels here, you got your indentions here, so you're going to want to put that way, which means this is the side that's going to go on your lower control arm. Put some soap on our rod there and lubricate it up. I'm going to put some in here too. Yeah, rub that all in there. Cool. Just put that onto there and apply a lot of force, and we should be good. Alright, so once you've got that on there, you are ready to install your lower control arm. Next step, you'll just remove those plastic caps and go ahead and get under the car. New, nice and firm, not going anywhere. Old. That might be why I've had a little bit of a problem. So we've got our nice new control arm with the rear bushing pre-installed. What you want to do now is we're going to get this part up through the top, so have your buddy up there ready with the nut. Oh, you can get this into the hub while you're shoving this up in there. Into the bloody hub. Oh my god. Alright, there we go. So that's up there. That's in the hub. We'll get our buddy to put the nut on the top. Alright, so that is secure. So, you can go ahead and then we'll push this up in here and put the nut on top. Go ahead and thread that nut on. So you can see here, we've got these dowels are going to line up with these bolts. You want to hand thread them first. You really do not want to cross thread these since they are in the frame. Line that in. And we'll hand tighten that. There we go. Alright, so we've got our 17 mil socket there. For the case of this kit, our new one is a 3/16, so we're going to take our 19, put her on the nut there, shove our 3/16 in there, and just start tightening that down. And then you'll be good to go. Once you've tightened everything down there, you can come up top and get a 22, and we'll be tightening that right down there. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys back in the next one. See you. to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.